water saves life. Water is the most precious gift of nature. It is very competition of life, whether it is human being, animal, or a plant. Let's begin with a powerful quote. Thousands live without love, but not without water. This beautiful quote respected principal, teachers, girls, and my dear friends. I am Sureshi from class 3A. Today I am going to speak on a topic that is not only understand but also integration to everyday society. Climate change unshapes our future. Be careful. Let's begin with the powerful words by US President Barack Obama. We are the first generation to feel the effect of climate and the last generation to do something about it. It is a non-functional distinct problem. Where technology is no longer just a tool. It is a part of everyday's life, from smartphones to smart classrooms. Good morning, respected principals, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Today I feel honored to speak the concern. My topic is Save Water, Save Life. Water is most precious gift of our nature. It is a very foundation of life. Whether it is a human being, animals, or plants, the resources that give us life. Let me share a real life example. 2018 in Cape Town in South Africa, we said in. Now we have Prince Datta, and the topic honesty is the best policy. It's very important. Teachers and my dear friends, myself Prince Datta, I am studying in class 5. Today I stand before you to speak on a topic that relates to the time. Honesty is the best policy. Is it still true? Let me start the topic. But in the world we live in today, full of competition, shortcuts, social media filters, many questions are there in the honest are often left behind. While this honesty to success. So the question arises, if honesty is the still best policy, let's look the real meaning of honesty. The meaning while truthful not only to others, with yourself. It means having courage to do what is doing. It's and others with respect, free, and believe me, honest is not always easy, but it is always powerful. Let's take the example of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president of India. He lived simple life and always stood the test. Morning, respected principal, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak on a topic that is not only urgent but also living things on this planet. Climate change, a shield to our future. Let me begin with a quote by former US President Barack Obama. We are the first generation and the last generation for the drinking water. Climate change is no longer. Thanks to you, to our respected judges for their valuable time and fair judgment. Thank you to all the teachers who helped train and prepare all the students. And most important, thank you to all our wonderful participants and the lovely audience for making this event a success. Let's continue to express, learn and grow. Now we will wait
we will be glad for them.
Your friends and teachers. Okay, so they have prepared very well. Few students they have tried from past many days. I'm watching that they are learning these speeches.
Speaking at that time, did you feel anything? How they are speaking? That means
Appreciate the boys who participate because the number of girls are more but boys are less. So I want to motivate boys from the next time you also try.
Let's look